Good morning and welcome to Sandbach in Cheshire and a beautiful blue sky. Isn't that gorgeous? Crisp and cold, which is great unless you're working outside. I'm machining doors for the upstairs at this house, and there's nowhere to do it inside. Garage is full, so I'm doing it out here. And if it rains, well, we do have a gazebo that I can put up, and do have a tarpaulin that I can put up to the van, so it's not that bad, but it's just blooming cold. I've got two hats on, two pairs of socks, base layer, thick woolly jumper, thick shirt, fleecy coat, gloves on all the time. I'm still freezing. Anyway, happy to be doing it. So here we have some nice oak doors. The pattern is Genoa. They're from Howdens, and yeah, they're nice to work on. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. So there we go. So yeah, busy day. Try and get some done today. Got a few to do. Started this job last week, but got rained off on Wednesday because it was absolutely lashing it down, as you may remember. And I'll show you a bit more when we get back inside. So I've managed to get two doors done today, which I'm quite happy about. Well, almost done. Bedroom door, it's quite a narrow one, 2'4", which is a latch only. And that shuts quite nicely, as it should, of course. Oh, yeah. And yeah, and then there's the family bathroom door, which is almost finished. Quite a bit of makeup to do on the latch side. So we've got the latch on, or the latch plate, but not the lock plate. Which is of course out of focus, which is why it's not working. Come on, you. That's ridiculous. There we go. So yeah, works nicely, and you wouldn't believe how out of true this door frame is, and in relation to the floor too, but that's the way it goes. Managed to take most of the problems out, and there we go. So good day. It was blooming cold, then we had some rain, then it's gone warmer, and I've been inside. So let's have another go tomorrow.